Hi, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester. Today I'm going to show you the 2019 4x4 144 cargo high top. As I mentioned, this is a 2019 six-cylinder turbo with diesel. And you can see the gross vehicle weight. On the 2019, you can see the backup camera is standard. You can see you have plenty of cargo space. As you can also see, we already have the partition installed for you. But if you didn't need it, it is removable. See here with the step up and the handle, you have the 144 high top. So I'm about 6 feet tall. You have over 10.5 inches length as well. So as I mentioned, it's a 2019 2500 cargo 144, the 3-liter V6 turbo. It's a 7-speed transmission. This is well equipped with the high roof. You also have the driver's convenience package, which is the attention assist, the blind spot. Exterior mirrors are heated and adjustable. 2 additional master keys and the multi-function steering wheel. With the premium package, you have rain sensor, wet wipe system, and the brake assist plus. And as you can see, the price tag is over here, $54,769. With the 2019, we have the key fob, so it is a push start. Foot on the brake, start. Also, this one has the Bluetooth capability. You can control your volume, the multi-function steering wheel. Everything is here at your fingertips. And over here you have your electric mirrors, and those are heated. And as you can see, possibly the triangle is for your blind spot protection, which is a great advantage to have. Also with this is we have the 7-inch screen for navigation. You have your phone for your Bluetooth, your radio, and this is a finger swipe media, app, and then you can adjust all your settings here. You have some of your controls here, along with your heating controls down there. Plenty of space for your cup holders, and down below we have the 12-volt section. Cup holders up there as well. Storage here, again, you have your USB as well, and storage above. As you can see, we do have the cargo partition, but it can be removed if it's not desirable for you. Again, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester. Hopefully this has been informative for the 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 144 high top. If I can be of any assistance, please don't hesitate to call me at 603-702-2373. Thank you, and make it a great day.